Today is Sunday, November 11th. The time is 7:03 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Panini Momemtum football break number 7. Good luck, everybody. Redskins, Fred Davis. Head of the class, triple, 2 patches and a jersey. We'll go to the Rams, Isaiah Peed, LaMichael James, Ronnie Hillman, serial number 26/49. Greg Jennings, Packers. Larry Fitzgerald, Cardinals. Triple jersey autograph for the Bills, TJ Graham, serial number 341/599. Dolphins, Harlos Dansby. Patriots, Wes Welker. Packers, rookie autograph, Mark Tyler, serial number 23/49. Tony Romo, Cowboys. Seahawks, Sidney Rice, serial number 5/5. Chiefs, rookie autograph, Devin Wiley, serial number 340/399. Panthers, Steve Smith. Bears, Matt Forte. Momentum Materials, jersey, Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew, serial number 46/199. Saints, Drew Brees. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Eagles, patch, Randall Cunningham, serial number 10/49. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Giants, Hakeem Nicks. Rookie team threads, triple jersey, Dolphins, Michael Egnew, autograph, serial number 12/15. Eagles, Deshaun Jackson. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Cowboys, rookie autograph, Tim Benford, Serial number 515 out of 799. Texans, Matt Schwab. Cardinals, Patrick Peterson, serial number 9 out of 49. Chargers, rookie autograph, Ladarius Green, serial number 53 out of 399. Ravens, Ray Rice. And the last pack. Rashard Mendenhall, Steelers, Lions jersey, Barry Sanders, serial number 164 out of 199. And the last card, Tim Tebow, Jets. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks, ending tonight in just a few hours. 2012 Topps Prime Football. Other box breaks for football, 2012 Panini Certified, 2012 Panini Prominence, and 2011 Panini Gold Standard.